Good morning friends, good morning all of my subscriber. Today my blog related to Tom of Salim Chishti Rahmatullah alayhi. If you want come here, first of all you come Agra, and Agra to Fatehpur Sikri distance 43 kilometers. The tomb of Salim Chishti is the mausoleum of located within the grand dangles of Jama Masjid in Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh, India. It announces the burial place of Sufi Sant Sufi Chishti Rahmatullah alayhi 1478-1572, the dislikes of Baba Farid, and who lived in the corner of Res Sikri, considered as the finest example of Mughal architecture in India. Museum was built during the years 1580 and 1581 by Akbar, along with the imperial complex of Fatehpur Sikri near Zanana Rosa. It was constructed the mark of the respect of Salim Chishti, who foretold the birth of Akbar's son, named Prince Salim Chishti, and was succeed Akbar the Akhtrin in the Mughal Empire, along with the Jama Masjid and old city of Fatehpur Sikri and tomb was the inscribed in UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986. The tomb was a construction platform that is 1 meter high with the height 5 steps leading the entrance portrait man tomb building in the enclosed by the decayed marble screens on all sides, and the tomb is located in the main hall, which has a signal Miklon and dome. Marble building is beautiful, carved in the Inivi in appearance in the platform onlitic and machine black and yellow marble, arranged and geometric platforms in any chapters of enclosure sounded and marble kinetograph is usually covered in the green cloth and wooden canopy increased with the mother of pearl India mosaic structure over it. The door in the main chamber in the electric grave the mosque platform the inclusion from the Quran, brown marble borders and entire bows the white relief panels in the Quran wears in the blue background in the covered in painted tomb. Chamber has a white marble floor which is insulated in licorice stones. The metallic colored stones which are also piece of diamond ruby and implates. The competition all the jails around the tomb of Salim Chishti and the ulama front of tomb, Sufi singers and front the buildings ultra. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. This dargah timing is open in the morning time in 5 p.m. and the last time in the night 10 p.m. 7 days open for this dargah. You can come the first of all Agra, and Agra to distance Fatehpur Sikri 43 kilometers above. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.